going, girl?
Going to the pine.
That's right, baby.
But the best part is we get to go in your race car.
Yeah, we got our police escorts. They're waiting for us. Big debut. Big debut. Look at that. Got the meats, dude. Good tire, good. Made the drive out. We've been coming out to the Pike on Wednesday nights for over 10 years now, and this year we're debuting with Neft Vodka. It's a new partnership that we have. They're also partnering with Formula Drift with us, Brad. So we got Adam LZ, Matt Field, and myself. We're the team of 3 that are going to be representing Neft here in Formula Drift. So super rad. We got the logos up on the roof here. Got a logo up on the dash. Boom. And yeah, these boys are all down in too. It's going to be a sick year. Ultimate almost didn't make it.
I know, I was like, who just parked his bike in the way of the Ultimate?
Ultimate almost didn't make it.
She was good.
Yeah, she's toy.
Wow.
Track, feeling great. We did 3 laps so far in the first session. The Kumho tires are amazing. We did 3 laps. We could have gone 4, so they're lasting. They're doing awesome. Feeling fantastic. The Wisefab is killing him. Just getting dialed in. Work it, work it. Done a good amount of laps. So we did the first session and made a couple of small adjustments. Chris has been feeling really comfortable in the car so far. We're on a new tire this year. We're on the Kumho V730. Getting used to that, having to make a couple of adjustments with the car. We've been really fast so far and Chris is loving it. So the boys have been throwing down. We've all been getting acclimated. We got some new guys on the crew. So getting everybody back into swinging things. So, but it's been really good so far. No complaints. No big damage. We got a couple of beautiful little rub marks on the bumper. They're like perfect. It's exactly what you want. It's like rubbed right through the logo and a little bit through the bumper. So keep that up all weekend and we should be looking good. Yeah, we're pumped. Chris is pumped. We got 4 more laps we can do today and then we're done for the day. Bolt check it, get ready for tomorrow.
Trying to figure out a CAN transmit error.
What's CAN?
What is CAN?
Yeah, what is CAN?
Ken is here.
Controller Area Network. The keypad wasn't working very well, so it was working intermittently.
I told you yesterday.
Pierre told us yesterday.
There's something wrong. I was pushing the button and it was not working.
Yeah, he did actually say something, but... No, but anyway, so you think a resistor might be bad, which is causing the CAN network to not work?
Either bad or missing or something.
Okay.
Because as soon as we plug the UTC in, which has a built-in resistor, then everything works fine.
Word.
So right now, we have a happy little UTC plugged into the dash going real fast around the track.
Cool. All right. Bart, you know a lot about resistance, don't you? Being French and all. Wait.
What's that wing look like?
Really precise.
Yeah. Same distance? What about the black on the bumper? Same? Yeah, I think that one's bigger. We're measuring right here. This side versus this side.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Which one do you think won?
That one's a little deeper.
That's a little deeper. Look at these scuffs.
Yep, that one's
a little bit.
That's a little deeper.
And it makes sense because I felt that one more. Dude, I hop out of the car. I'm like, just get out of the car, like, you know, helmet off, turn around, the Neff guys are walking up with 2 cocktails. Like, they're just like, they didn't even stop moving. Here you go.
I mean, you're done.
Yeah, I know. They're like, you're done, right? I was like, yeah, like, thanks. They were bringing up a drink for Liz, and then they had a spare, and they're like, there you go. I was like, I can get used to this. Hell yeah.
Look at this. Good morning, everybody, and good, happy TGIFG. It's Saturday, but Formula Drift is back. Round 1 of 8 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship.
Forsberg back to his ways, really liking the way he's driving, debuting a new tire for him, making the jump over to Kumho. So there's a lot that's got to be learned, a lot that's going to be different for him, but the car looks good. Nice little tap there into outside zone 3, and then gets that decel. Now Rad Danny in the chase looking really good, really confident.
And there it is, Forsberg gets the win. A driver up next that has not skipped a beat. You know him as 3-time Formula Drift champion. He is Chris the Force Forsberg! Hiro Manoa leading Chris the Force Forsberg. Here we go, Hiro Manoa initiating. Dijuka Racing, Jerry Yang Racing, GT Radio 86. Chris Forsberg going to that second outside zone. Hiro Manoa taps that wall. Forsberg applying the pressure outside zone 3. Look at Hiro Manoa transitioning now in that last inside clip. Wow, I thought Chris was going to hit that inside clip.
Yeah, that was great. It was, I knew Manoa was going to bring it. He's been looking super smooth out front, and he puts it on you in the chase. And yeah, I mean, we're feeling absolutely rock solid since we started out yesterday, and we're just trying to carry that momentum going into the rest of this battle. And yeah, we're just going to keep taking out these GT radio drivers one by one, so let's bring it. Thank you.
Here we go, Adam LZ, Chris the Force Forsberg. Adam LZ will lead in his Drift HQ BMW Forsberg. Out to 1 in that all-new Nissan Z.
So round 1 Formula Drift Long Beach, it went really well in my opinion. We got all the way to the top 8, first time on the Kumho V730s. We basically did all of our testing on Friday on the track, dialing in our tire pressures, figuring out our alignments on the new Wisefab setup. So a lot of big changes, but the car just felt more dialed than ever. We got back-to-back runs with Adam LZ. It was a pretty wild battle in the first one. He had a little bit of pull on me, got in the pocket coming out of turn 1, and so I let him kind of get a little bit of a gap going through turn 2 in my chase.
In his chase, he bumped into me in outer zone 3 and then at the inner clip at the last turn. So I think the judges were kind of dinging him on that one. On the second one, after the one more time, I got a better transition, pushed up and got right up on him for the big left-hander, and it was like perfect sweet spot pocket. However, because of the smoke trail, I lost my depth perception of the wall, and so I tagged the wall with the back right corner, just enough to pull the car out of drift, and that was enough to hand it off to him. So followed up with my lead run. Lead run felt great on it, on the marks, on the walls, and he played it safe, stayed back, kept his distance, and got the win. So all good. Like I said, I thought we were gonna get a podium. I haven't felt that comfortable and committed in the car in quite some time, so definitely hats off to the Kumho V730s. 100% upgrade, and feeling really, really good about the tire, the wear, the grip, the consistency. It's amazing. And yeah, the Wisefab has definitely given us a little bit extra drive. We actually took grip out of the car for the first time in a long time. We took out some of the mechanical pieces that we use on the car to find traction and speed that we certainly wouldn't do on a street style flat course. So that's typically the type of thing that we would do when we get to like an Irwindale, and there's just so much load on the bank. So feeling really, really good about the setup for the year. Outside of that, we're gonna take what we learned, take it on to round 2, Road Atlanta, my favorite track. Party on.